This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 100 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. There's no building to do in this issue, so it's just going to be looking at the magazine and the supplied parts, or rather parts. But we'll get to that when we get to that in the magazines. First of all, we're going to be looking through. This is the 1967 Eleanor Mustang. If you have any queries, always go online and check out our instructional videos. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do that. So last time we did this, we did the other rear light, brake light sort of thing, and we nicely fitted the cables into their tracks and runs. This time we have this. We have indeed our windscreen. It's nice. It's a single piece. It's already black sort of masked around the edge, and that is that. We've received the windscreen. You'll assemble this part together with those you receive in kit number 101. So nothing to do on that one today. I shall put that aside for next time. And next time, the parts we receive are the chrome frame and windscreen wipers. So yeah, this all snaps into place. No screws involved in this at all. So the windscreen goes in place. We could have done that this time, but there's not really much point. And then we put the frame around the outside. And we don't indeed fit the windscreen wipers yet. So we're just putting the windscreen and the frame next time. The time after, we've got our final big body panel, which is the missing piece here, the front vent, what do they call it? The ventilation panel, yeah. And some more screws and things. I don't know what they are. What are they? 102C. A strut rod. Okay. So, yes, we'll be fitting that. Oh, that's similar to the bit we did last time. So we're fitting that to there, and then the windscreen wipers to there, and then that to the car itself. The strut rod's connecting to anything? No, they're not connecting to anything yet. That will be connecting to the engine when the engine goes together, because I think there was a bit left over from that. So that is that, and that's obviously a couple of issues away, but we'll get there. The highway as a backdrop. Yeah, made all these movies in natural settings. It's quite cool. Playing with cars, yeah. Action, intrigue, family conflict. There we go. And the 60-second files, behind the scenes of the original movie. And Christy. This is the Cars with Women's Names from 1974. I wonder why, did we do that last time? Did we start on that last time? I can't remember. But yeah, either way, this is what we're looking at from this. I don't know how many there were in that one, but certainly Christy and Eileen, Silver Ghost. It's quite a nice car. It's not very comfortable by the looks of it, but there you go. And then back up to date in 2015, the Ford Mustang Fastback. That looks quite nice. I like that. So yes, that's that for this delivery. Still some to build, but not any more to look at. Then it looks like the rear windscreen, the frame. So we probably won't be doing anything with that, but looking at the magazine, then we'll fit it and the frame. What's that? It says down there, headliner. Oh, that's the inside for the roof panel, isn't it? And then frames for the windows, for the looks of it, the side windows, or the side, maybe not even on the doors. I don't remember if the doors have got frames around them or not. But we're getting close to the end, because once we've done, the back window, there are no back windows. We've already got the doors. So it'll be fitting the bodywork and that. There's probably only one more pack to come. This is what, 26, and that's going to be 27. So 28 is probably going to do it. That'll be 110 issues. Sounds quite doable. So yeah, right. I shall call that a day with this video. Thank you very much for watching. Another quick one here, but next time we're actually going to be fitting the windscreen. So join me for that in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.